Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find Eye Comfort. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So as you can see, you can set up a schedule for this mode. Like you can select start time, end time, and you can also change color temperature, and you can disable colors. You can set your phone to be black and white for the maximum eye protection. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.